Hello students, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Amandeep Kaur. So I am back with maths classes, complex numbers. Topics are conjugate, modulus and argument. Now if z is equal to x plus iota y, which is complex number, then conjugate, which is denoted by z and over this line, right, that is equal to x minus iota y. This means we will change the sign of imaginary part. Got it? imaginary part का साइन चेंज करेंगे. जैसे कि ये पॉजिटिव था पहले, राइट, अब हमने इसको नेगेटिव कर दिया. Got it? Now next modulus, which is denoted by this sign z and both sides is two standing lines. Got it? It is real part square and then square of imaginary part and then under root of whole. So this is called modulus. Got it? Next, argument of any complex number, suppose of z, that is equal to tangent inverse minus of imaginary part by real part. Got it? Now let's take example 1. If z is equal to 4 by 1 minus iota, then z conjugate is equal to, now z is equal to 4 by 1 minus iota. Now let's rationalize this complex number. We will get 4 by 1 minus iota into 1 plus iota by 1 plus iota, that is equal to 4 plus 4 iota by 2. Now we will get 2 plus 2 iota. Now z conjugate is equal to 2 minus 2 iota. We will change the sign of imaginary part, right? So we will rationalize this number again. Why we are rationalizing this number? The reason is that I have taken this example from IIT's questions. So there was an option, that's why I am rationalizing this number again. We will get 2 into 2 by 1 plus iota, that is equal to 4 by 1 plus iota. So this is the answer. Got it? Now next example is example 2, modulus of 1 minus iota upon 3 plus iota plus 4 iota by 5. Rationalizing this number, right? So 1 minus iota upon 3 plus iota multiplied by 3 minus iota by 3 minus iota plus 4 iota by 5. Got it? Now we will get 2 minus 4 iota by 10 plus 4 iota by 5. Will get 1 minus 2 iota by 5 plus 4 iota by 5. We will get 1 plus 2 iota, right, by 5. Got it? Now to find out the modulus of z, we will get square of real part plus square of imaginary part and then under root of whole. We will get 1 by 25 plus 4 by 25 and then under root of the whole, that is equal to 5 by 25. Root 5 by 25 is equal to 1 by under root 5. So this is the answer. Now next is third example. The conjugate of a number is 1 by iota minus 1. Then the number is, now z is number, right? Then z conjugate is equal to 1 by iota minus 1. This is given, right? Now there is an identity that double conjugate of any complex number is equal to number itself. Got it? Now to rationalize this number, we will get 1 by iota minus 1 iota plus 1 by iota plus 1. It gives us iota plus 1 by minus 2. This is equal to minus iota by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So we will change the sign of imaginary part, right? Plus iota by 2 minus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 1 upon 2 minus and plus iota by 2, right? Now rationalize this number. We will get minus 1 plus iota by 2 and multiply iota plus 1 by iota plus 1, that is equal to minus 2 by 2 into iota plus 1, right? Now we will get the answer minus 1 by iota plus 1. So this is the answer. Got it? Now example 4, argument of minus 1 minus 3 iota by 2 plus iota is. Let's start. First of all, rationalize this number. We will get minus 1 minus 3 iota by 2 plus iota multiply by 2 minus iota by 2 minus iota. We will get minus 5 iota by 5, that is equal to minus 1 minus iota. Now argument of minus 1 minus 3 iota by 2 plus iota is, we have minus 1 minus iota, right? Now tangent inverse of minus of imaginary part by real part, right? We will get this is equal to minus 1 tangent inverse of minus 1, that is equal to pi plus theta, that is equal to 180 plus 45, right? So this is equal to 225 degree, right? So this is the answer. Got it? Let's take example 5, argument of complex number 13 minus 5 iota by 4 minus 9 iota is. First of all, rationalize this number. We will get 13 minus 5 iota by 4 minus 9 iota multiplied by 4 plus 9 iota by 4 plus 9 iota, that is equal to 97 minus 97 iota by 97, that is equal to 1 minus iota. Got it? Now we will find out the argument, which is equal to this is equal to tangent inverse negative of imaginary part by real part. Now tangent inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4. So this is the answer. So we have done. Thank you so much for watching this video.